Okay, this video is made for SimLab project, and there we need Simatic Manager and Simatic Virtual PLC. And now we saw in this video how we do configuration for Simatic Manager. Okay, please do open Simatic Manager. And then a file and new project wizard, and choose next, and after that find your logic. We have now CPU 352 dp, and next. We use a ladder diagram for programming, and then we typing name of this project. And now we have name, and then finish. Now we have new window here, and we choose Simatic 300 station and hardware configuration. And there is a configuration window. And we choose Simatic 300 and SM300 and digital input and output. That first 16 inputs, 16 outputs, and then we use slot number 4 and save and compile, and we can close. It's clear now. Okay, this is a tutorial video in SimLab project task number 1, where we have buttons and lights. And we made all this hardware configuration already, and if it's needed, there is in SimLab under SimLab shortcut is short presentation how to do that, but that's a little bit later. Okay, when you open SimLab SimLab shortcut, and there is a first configuration, and there is a quality for display. And if you have enough effort in your computer, you can use fantastic. But if you have not so good computer, so please choose simple or good resolution, so it's working better. We choose now fantastic. And SimLab application is open, and if needed to do hardware configuration, or there is something what you should change or do again, you can also see this notice. But now we close it. We have already made that. And there is a Task1 buttons, and there we see 8 buttons and 8 lights. And then we open Simulation PLC, and the window is opened, and we connect SimLab application to Virtual PLC. And now we can test it input 0.0, and we also see in virtual PLC how it works. And we can also put outputs on, and we see on applications and the green light. So it is connected and it works. And next thing what we do is programming for Siemens, and we choose that blocks and a mouse right button and insert new object, and we choose function, and we give a symbolic name, function FC1, and we use this ladder diagram, and OK. Then we open OB1, and we have here network 1, and we increase that FC1 to the network 1, and after that we save and close it. And now we open FC1 again, and we make a short program. We choose input, open connectors, and we use that input first button, input 0.0, we type in that name, and then we increase output, and we use light output Q 0.0. Now it's made, and now we save and close the window. And after that we choose all the SIMATIC 300 station and download to the application. And now it's downloaded, and we see here it's on run mode. And open again FC1, and we choose monitoring, so we can also observe how our program works. And when we push the button, we see all these lines green, they are connected, and we also see in simulation logic outputs and inputs cards, they are active. And this is a first test how this works, and then we close this networks, and it's clear.